In many ways, buying a used SUV has more of a manual to it than buying a brand new SUV because there's a history. The history of the specific SUV is important, from the owner surveys and recalls to technical bulletins. All these can help guide you to finding the SUV of your dreams with the lowest maintenance cost. So rather than to stress yourself in finding one of these SUVs, don't fret, because we've compiled it all for you. We've looked for benefits that include mechanical simplicity rather than complex, intricate engineering solutions, small wheels and tires rather than pretty plus-sized ones that'll cost you a fortune to replace, standout fuel efficiency on regular grade fuel, perks like free scheduled maintenance and a long warranty, and high reliability grades from third-party experts. After searching far and wide, here are 10 used SUVs with the lowest maintenance. Let's pick it up from number 10. Number 10. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is an enjoyable to drive subcompact SUV that's also developing a reputation for reliability and ranking first in a JD Power Dependability survey among small SUVs. The Sportage was praised at the time for its excellent features and value pricing. A well-equipped model of this SUV should come at a relatively reasonable price on the used market. Kia has a 10-year 100,000-mile warranty that partially transfers to the second owner, which is amazing if you ask me. The car also has a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain coverage, offering a peace of mind should something go wrong. The only blemish on the Sportage, and I wouldn't really call it a blemish, is its divisive styling. Apart from that, the standard engine for the 2019 Sportage is a 2.4-liter four-cylinder, making 181 horsepower. This engine delivers an acceptable fuel economy of up to 30 miles per gallon on the highway and 21 in the city. A more powerful turbocharged engine makes up to 240 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive as an available option. Sweet. Number 9. Chevrolet Equinox. What a car! The Chevy Equinox offers a roomy interior, good cargo space, as well as safety features like blind spot monitoring, pedestrian detection, and adaptive cruise control. The Equinox also boasts a car-like ride and excellent comfort for the class. However, reviewers find the Equinox painfully slow with the base engine or diesel option. 3 engine options are available. The base engine is a 1.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder with 170 horsepower, while a 2.0-liter turbo 4 with 252 horsepower offers the best acceleration. A fuel-efficient diesel engine has just 137 horsepower, but delivers a very good fuel economy. The most fuel-efficient diesel model with front-wheel drive has an estimated 39 miles per gallon on the highway, and even the least fuel-efficient model with the bigger engine gets an estimate of 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Number 8. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has a long-standing reputation for reliability, with a consistent formula of a proven drivetrain and high build quality. However, it's also a slight drawback, as the 4Runner isn't the most refined vehicle in the class. It's an old-school pickup truck that has its design based on offering more towing and better off-road prowess than the competition, but it also suffers from poor ride quality and a below-par fuel economy compared to the more modern competition. But for buyers looking for a reliable off-road SUV with very little maintenance, the 4Runner is the top option thanks to the time-tested and rugged mechanicals. It's consistently ranked as a vehicle most likely to reach the 200,000-mile mark. All 2019 4Runners are powered by a 4.0-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This engine makes 270 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but many models are equipped with part or full-time 4-wheel drive. While its fuel economy is poor, at 17 miles per gallon in the city and 20 on the highway, it's on par with one of its prime rivals, the less reliable Jeep Wrangler. Number 7. Hyundai Santa Fe. The 2019 Santa Fe introduced a significant redesign and was sold alongside the previous generation, the 3-row Santa Fe XL. It was praised for offering excellent value, competent road manners, newly standard lane keeping assists, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Its standard power comes from a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine making 185 horsepower, and an optional 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder upped performance with 235 horsepower. These engines sound so juicy. Either engine is paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission. For the Santa Fe, front-wheel drive was standard, with all-wheel drive an option. Which of these SUVs would you get if you wanted one? You gotta tell us in the comment section down below. And while you're there, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. On to number 6. Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento offers 7 seats in a relatively small package, though it's a tight squeeze in the third row for adults. Reviewers found the driving experience of the Sorento to be fairly static, with limited steering feedback, but allowing for a comfortable ride. Standard equipment is competitive in each trim level, and higher trims are near luxury in materials and comfort. The base drivetrain is a 185 horsepower 2.4-liter four-cylinder paired with a 6-speed automatic, but the optional 3.3-liter V6 pairs with an 8-speed automatic and is a better match for the Sorento's size and potential carrying capacity. Front-wheel drive is standard with either engine, and all-wheel drive is an option. In base trim, the Sorento receives an estimated mileage of 29 to the gallon on the highway and 22 for the city, while the popular V6 models equipped with all-wheel drive are rated at 24 miles per gallon on the highway and 19 in the city. Number 5. Chevrolet Blazer. The SUV looks like a sports car, and its sporty looks are backed up by its overall driving experience. It's received high marks for rear seat comfort and scored well in reliability. The Blazer offers exciting handling, quick acceleration, and confident braking, making it an excellent choice for enthusiastic drivers looking for a revitalized version. The base engine for the revitalized Blazer is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder with 193 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic and front-wheel drive. But the engine to get is the 3.6-liter V6 with 308 horsepower and optional all-wheel drive. Base models get an EPA estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 27 on the highway, which is about average for the class. Number 4. Lexus RX. Given its popularity and longevity, it may not be surprising that the Lexus RX ranks high on this list for SUVs with the lowest maintenance costs. The RX offers a smooth ride and excellent driver assistance tech. Automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control are all standard in this vehicle. So it's quite unfortunate that the RX's infotainment system is fussy to use and behind the times. RX 350 models are equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 making 295 horsepower, with standard front-wheel drive and available all-wheel drive, while the hybrid RX 450h models get a combined horsepower rating of 308 from the V6 engine and 2 electric motors, including standard all-wheel drive. In addition, the RX 450h is rated at an estimated 28 miles per gallon on the highway and 31 in the city, while even the lowest rated RX 350 gets a respectable 26 on the highway and 23 in the city. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class. The 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLE was nearing the end of its generation, but still offered traditional luxury and comfort amenities in keeping with the brand, its price, and stature among luxury SUVs. And as a plus, it's among those with the lowest maintenance costs. Most models use a twin-turbo 3.0-liter V6 with 329 horsepower and either rear or 4MATIC all-wheel drive. A plug-in hybrid was offered, but it's rarely seen. According to the Environment Protection Agency, the fuel economy is average for the class, with 23 miles per gallon on the highway and 17 in the city. Number 2. Chevrolet Tahoe. Second on our list is the Chevy Tahoe, which grades well for interior space. It's a quiet, comfortable ride with truck-like towing and utility. However, the Tahoe was expensive when new and likely will command a high price on used car lots. Standard features include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, remote start, and an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which was well received at the time. Despite its large size, the Tahoe offers light steering, making driving less intimidating in tight spaces. 2 V8 engines are available for the Tahoe. The entry-level engine is a 5.3-liter V8, making 355 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, while a massive 6.2-liter V8 is offered on higher trim levels. It makes 420 horsepower and is paired with an impressive 10-speed automatic transmission. The Tahoe has available seating for up to 9 passengers and a max towing capacity of 8,600 pounds. It's the ultimate SUV for families who need to haul a trailer. Number 1. Toyota Sequoia. The Sequoia was praised for its adult-compatible third-row seat, off-road prowess, and standard safety features. Automated emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control are all standard driver assistant features. Also, the infotainment technology consists of a 6.1-inch touchscreen display, and all 2019 Sequoias are powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine making 381 horsepower with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive came standard with 4-wheel drive optional. It's important to note that used doesn't necessarily mean used up. If you check out the SUVs just listed and you shop carefully, you can find an SUV or crossover that still has plenty of life. There are tons of options out there, especially if you're open to vehicles that are 10 or 12 years old. Out of these SUVs here, which would you pick or not, and why? We're looking forward to those answers in the comments down below. I personally go for the Chevy Blazer just off the sporty look. I mean, look at it. If you felt the video, drop a like, and if you really enjoyed it, hit subscribe. Turn those notifications on. You guys have fun driving, be safe, and I'll see you next time.